Hey everyone, this is Dan with Success Realty, and maybe by now that you've heard a lot about the NAR settlement and all the changes that are coming in. And I got to tell you, there's a lot of misinformation out there. So I just wanted to make a quick little video, and maybe I'll make a series of videos of what does the lawsuit actually mean, especially for buyers. And there's rumors going out there that you can't go to an open house unless you sign a contract with someone. Simply not true. Now, it is true that if you want to go to a private showing, a real estate agent, a buyer's agent, or a sub-agent of the seller is required to have something on paper stating that you're either being shown the property for free, absolutely no charge at all for that, or being shown the property at no charge, but if you make an offer, it's outlining how that agent's going to get paid. But you can go to as many open houses as you want. You don't have to sign any documents there. By state law, any agent that you talk to needs to disclose to you that they are an agent. And there is a document called Disclosure Regarding Agent Relationship. And that one by state law, we're supposed to get signed. It's very rare that it happens, but it is state law that it does get signed. But that's just a disclosure. There's no contract in there. And so it doesn't really mean that you're obligated to anything. Actually, what it does is it obligates the agent that's presenting the information to tell you whether they're working for a buyer or for a seller, what type of agency that is, and it outlines certain duties and services that they provide. But as far as you going to see an open house, you do not need to sign anything. If anybody tells you that you do, tell them to call me and I'll get them corrected on that. All right, so you go see as many open houses as you want. Anytime that they're open, you get to go see it. You do not have to sign anything. And it's a great way to meet good realtors that do know their job and are looking to really help a buyer find the right home. But remember, if you don't have an exclusive buyer agency agreement signed with an agent, every agent works for the seller. So there's no loyalty to you as a buyer unless you sign an exclusive agency agreement. And that's why we have them here in Michigan. And we've actually been using them for a long time. So it's nothing new to us. We're actually kind of glad for the changes. And we've always been open that we work on behalf of the buyer when we have an exclusive agency agreement with that buyer. So, hey, again, this is Dan with Success Realty. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out.